Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Reels from Maharaj. And guys, my name is Humaira. Today I will give you all a tutorial of playing PXT game. So first I will teach you how to indicate where's your house. So if you can see this red color mark, that only indicates that where is your house. If for example, if I go far and see, then also I can recognize my house. So like this only you can find your house. It's so easy process. And guys, you can edit your house. You can sit on your house. So first you have to just press to the house button, and then I will just place one puff, my cute cloud puff. I will place it here. Now is it okay? So now I have two puffs. Here's number one puff. Here's number two puff. And guys, it's very easy to edit the houses. You can edit anything or you can buy anything you want. So, and you can also feed your dogs or cats or any animals that you have. And this is the bed of my pig and all the things. And first you have to press the house button, then you have to click on pause, and then you have to press on pet pairs or whatever you want to buy for your pet. So now I have 10,617 rupees. So guys, now I will go to the playground. Now I will teach you all how to buy a pet. You will not know that which pet you will get, because you will get a pet rod. I will explain it later. First I have to go to the playground. So I will also teach you all how to go to the pet shop. So guys, this is the part 1. I think so there will be 3 parts because this is a very long game. So I don't want that you all will get confused. So this is the pet shop. If you can see, this is the pet shop. Here's the name, pet shop. So I will just enter the pet shop. It's loading. See, this is the pet shop, and you can also feed your cats or dogs or any animals that you get. Here, for example, you can just feed your animal, bath your animal, and sleep and drink water and eat whatever you want. And guys, now I will go to buy the pet pot that you all are waiting of, because I know that the pet is the most important thing. This is 3,500 because it's an uncommon one, but I will take the common one only because I really like the common one more. But guys, you all can buy the uncommon one also. And guys, I promise you guys, at the third part of this game I will buy an uncommon pet also. So now I have buy this pet pot, and guys, in 23 hours 59 minutes it will open, then you will able to see. But you can watch the ads, and it's not such a long ad. You can watch it and you can less the time. I also do that only, so I'm telling you guys. So guys, this is how you can feed or drink your pet in pet shop also, and at your house also. And now I will teach you all how to go to others' house and feed your pet. You can use their utensils and many more things. So now I'm going towards the houses. At the second part I will teach you all how to play games and various games. It will be fun. So first I want to go to this house. It looks interesting, this yellow house. You just have to go towards the gate and you can just go inside. See, you can sit also. See, it's very easy. You can go to others' house or feed your pet anything you want. And now I will just feed my pet. So now he will just eat, and you can also bath and do anything else in others' house also. And guys, the owner of the house removed me because he or she want to do editing in the house. For example, if I also do editing in my house, then anyone else cannot enter my house. So this is the rule of this game, the main rule. And guys, now I'm going to other person's house because my piggy want to drink water. I can feed my pig in my house also, and in others' house also, whatever you all want. This is the bath. So here I found. So now I will just let my pig to drink some water. He's just drinking and enjoying the water. So guys, this is the end of the game. And guys, I aim 5 likes to this video. Bye guys, please do like, share, do comment and subscribe to my channel. And guys, I will make more 2 parts for this game, because in this part you all learn to how to indicate your house or how to buy a pet pod and to visit other person's house. That's the most funnier part. So guys, bye guys.